the way from Boise, Idaho. Give it up for Sophie Abrams on guitar. I think you have family here tonight. All the way from Nashville, Tennessee, make some noise on the bass. Alyssa, yeah! And what I want to do right now, I'd like to show you what Sophie can do. Why don't you give him a taste?